Welcome to the flowerschool.com video resource library. I'm Leanne Kessler, director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you spring flowers. Now that the new year has begun, the holidays are over, you're probably kind of tired of red and flowers. How many centerpieces? You can call them a sexy center, but it's one more round arrangement. How many did you do? How many red things? Red tulips will be back. Valentine's Day is on the way. But right now, with the new year and new beginnings, let's look at a little bit more subtle design, meditational, purifying, perfect for the new year. For blooms, I went to spring bulbs. Tulips, of course, but switched to yellow. Iris, the complement with purple and yellow. Then hyacinths and paper whites for fabulous fragrance. Then for the vessel, I went through my cupboards and just found favorite vases, all different sizes and shapes, gathered them on a tray, and I'm ready to design. All of the flowers have been processed. If you saw Tulip Tuesday, you know to leave your tulips wrapped while they hydrate. The hyacinths, don't cut off the bottom. The bulb's important to keep. The iris, just cut and let them begin to open. Paper white, same thing, but think about flower school. The whole narcissus family gives off a poisonous sap. Poisonous to other flowers, not to humans. So they need to process separately for at least 2 hours before you begin designing. As simple as it is to assemble little vases, you still want to include all your elements and principles. Otherwise, it'll just look like a mess. So I have a triadic color harmony. I think about line, I think about form, space, texture, all of that. Starting with the iris, that'll give me a wonderful line coming up through the top, giving it a cut, letting it be tall, maybe adding in the focal emphasis with the boldness of the hyacinth. Now that they've hydrated, leaving the bulb intact, I can cut them down and set them right into the vessel. Then coming over with a little bit of color with the tulip, knowing they will continue to grow. So placing them low so that they have room to grow. Tucking it down in, and maybe even another one even lower. So it draws your eye down. It's still a little long, so I'm going to cut it just a bit. There we go. These two are just nestled into a little cordial glass. Then coming back, thinking about what other colors I have, what I want to do. Maybe pulling the eye all the way down with another hyacinth, enhancing the line. And then coming in with the paper whites. And another iris. Letting it be even taller. Thinking about sequencing. And then dropping in. And once the paper whites have hydrated, it's okay to mix them with other flowers, but you do have to wait until they're fully hydrated. As I finish, again, I think about my line and my focal emphasis. And I carry the iris on down, bringing that beautiful purple down to the base to add a focal emphasis. And then, when you think about New Year's and new beginnings, meditation and purity, you also think about grounding, centering yourself. And we need to do that for the design. A few Gaelic sleeves, just tucked in, to add a basing level, to carry the eye down and ground the arrangement. The simple beauty of spring flowers. Now it's your turn. Gather your favorite flowers, gather your favorite vessels, and create your own meditation design. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give me a call at 503-223-8089. And now as you create, I'd love to see. Take a photo, post it on social media, and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see as you get started and do something you love.